The next letter is H. H. H is for house. Let's see who lives in this house. Who is that? That's a horse. Horse starts with H. Let's see who else lives in this house. Who's that? That's a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus starts with H. Does anyone else live in this house? That's a hummingbird. Hummingbird starts with H. Who else lives here? Who is this? That's me. I live in this house. Oh, it's time to go to sleep. Good night, everybody. Next is the letter I. I. I is for island. An island is land surrounded by water. My friends are making a sandcastle on the beach. Wait, what is this? It's an ice cream truck. Ice cream starts with I. Who wants honey ice cream? Growl, I do, I do. Bear took the honey ice cream. Who would like strawberry ice cream? Oink, oink, I do, I do. Pig took the strawberry ice cream. Who would like the rainbow ice cream? I do, I do. I want the rainbow ice cream. The next letter is J. J. J is for jelly bean. Jelly beans are falling into the jar. Jar also starts with J. Listen, I hear music. It's coming from the Jack-in-the-Box. Jack-in-the-Box starts with J. And who's in the Jack-in-the-Box? Surprise! That's me! I'm the Jack-in-the-Box. The next letter is K. K. K is for kite. The kite is flying in the sky. Oh no, the kite is falling. It lands on a tree. Something is coming this way. It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo starts with K. What's in the kangaroo's pouch? Look, it's a girl kangaroo. Here comes another kangaroo. What's in that kangaroo's pouch? It's a boy kangaroo. Here comes the third kangaroo. What's in that kangaroo's pouch? That's me! I'm in the kangaroo's pouch. Oh, the kangaroos are jumping. Where am I? There I am. I'm in the middle. Oh, the kangaroos keep moving around. Where am I? There I am, in the kangaroo on the left. Let's play the game one more time. We need to keep our eyes on the kangaroo. Boy, this is going really fast. Where am I now? Oh, there I am, in the first kangaroo, and the second, and the third. How did that happen?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. O-de-do.